And good day. Today we're having a look at this. It's the Fimi X8 SE 2020, the actual remote controller. And as you can see, I've got a couple of printed parts here that I've designed. This is an antenna mod that just simply slides over the top to keep the antennas in place. This particular one here is simply to stop the controller knobs from getting knocked about. As you can see, it's very secure. Now, the reason I've created these particular files is so I can pop this into a bag and I know that my joysticks are not going to be damaged and the actual antenna is going to be okay when I get to my destination. Now we'll just slide this out of the way, and this is the bag that I'm referring to. So the controller simply slides in place like so. No damage at all, so when I get to my flying destination everything is perfect. So hopefully you found this video interesting, and if you want to print it out yourself, the STL files, the link is below. If you like my video, consider giving it a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. If you don't like my video, as usual, give me a thumbs down, but at least give me a reason why you don't like my video, and that way I can improve on the very next one. If you haven't subscribed already, please do, I'd appreciate that as well. And on top of all that, hopefully I'll get to see you on the very next video. All the best till then, take care, bye.